Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best metal anchors is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in any DIY or professional construction project, providing the crucial stability and load-bearing capacity that ensures your structures stand the test of time and gravity, making them indispensable for everything from hanging heavy shelves to securing major structural elements. And choosing the right one can be the difference between a secure fixture and a potential hazard, so let's dive into what makes a metal anchor truly reliable and effective for your specific needs. Number 5. Zinc Self-Drilling Drywall Anchors with Screws Kit. Introducing our heavy-duty drywall anchors and screw kit. Designed for durability, they offer a simple solution for your mounting needs. These anchors pre-drill a precise hole in various drywall types, eliminating the need for extra preparation. They are made from robust zinc for long-lasting use. The deep thread design ensures strong engagement, securely locking into drywall of different thicknesses. Enjoy a reliable hold for your items. Perfect for hanging accessories, artwork, shelving, mirrors, and more in your hall, bathroom, or kitchen. They are ideal for various decorative and functional applications. Each kit contains 25 zinc metal wall anchors and 25 Phillips screws. Everything you need for a secure installation is right here. These anchors are capable of holding up to 75 pounds, providing a strong and reliable mounting solution. Please verify package contents upon receipt. What we like. These anchors pre-drill their own holes, saving you time and effort. Their deep thread design ensures a strong grip in various drywall thicknesses. If you're looking for a straightforward solution for hanging everyday items like artwork or small shelves without fuss, these are a great choice. What people say. The metal anchors are durable and the self-drilling design makes installation fast and easy, no pre-drilling needed most of the time. They work well in various drywall thicknesses, 3/8, 1/2, and 5/8, so they're versatile for all types of standard drywall installations. These anchors can handle up to 75 pounds, which is great for securing items that need a reliable hold. Number 4. Happin 12-inch Trampoline Anchors. Introducing the Happin 12-inch trampoline anchors, designed to keep your outdoor equipment firmly in place. These heavy-duty stakes offer superior stability for trampolines, tents, and more. Crafted from galvanized steel, these anchors are rust-resistant and built for long-term durability. They provide a secure hold in any weather condition, ensuring your setups remain stable. Unlike traditional stakes, our U-hook design provides a superior grip, preventing slippage even in high winds. They are perfect for securing trampolines, fences, and even dog tie-outs. Setting up is a breeze with their sharpened tips. Simply twist or step them into the ground, no extra tools needed. They provide a firm and reliable hold on any surface, including dirt, sand, and clay. These anchors are incredibly versatile, perfect for securing trampolines, carports, swing sets, sheds, tarps, and garden decorations. They ensure all your outdoor setup stays stable and secure year-round. At Happin, we stand behind our products with excellent customer support. You can trust these anchors for lasting security for all your outdoor needs. What we like. These stakes are exceptionally long and made from galvanized steel for superior rust resistance. The unique U-hook design provides a much stronger hold than traditional stakes, especially in high winds. If you need to secure large outdoor items like trampolines, carports, or swing sets against strong weather, these are the anchors you need. What people say. These held down our trampoline in 70 miles per hour winds. The steel feels solid and they screw into the ground fairly easily, giving the trampoline a much more stable feel, especially on windy days. They hold securely even in tough ground and don't bend or loosen easily. Number 3. ISPINNER Self-Drilling Drywall Anchors Kit. Introducing the ISPINNER Self-Drilling Drywall Anchors Kit. This kit provides a high-quality solution for your fastening needs. Crafted from premium zinc with zinc-plated steel screws, these anchors offer exceptional hardness, wear resistance, and rust resistance for long-lasting performance. This versatile kit includes 2 convenient sizes, 25 large 13 by 42 mm anchors and 25 small 13 by 32 mm anchors, along with 50 screws. Forget pre-drilling. Its deep thread design ensures a secure grip in various drywall types, providing maximum holding power with zero preparation. Keep everything organized with the included durable storage case, making these anchors easy to store and access whenever you need them. Perfect for most gypsum wallboard applications, they are ideal for hanging pictures, towel racks, hooks, and much more. What we like. This kit offers a convenient assortment of 2 different sizes of zinc alloy anchors, all neatly organized in a sturdy case. This is perfect for DIYers who might encounter various wall thicknesses or need flexibility for different projects. If you appreciate having options and organized storage for your hardware, this kit is ideal. What people say. These metal ones here are amazing. You can use a screwdriver or an impact driver or anything you want without having to worry about them breaking. No need to pre-drill and just super smooth to install. These worked perfectly for hanging some floating shelves in drywall. Very strong. Good and sturdy product. Used to hang IKEA cabinets. Simply great. Number 2. ALBO number 6 Zinc Self-Drilling Drywall Anchors, 200 PC Set. Introducing the ALBO number 6 Zinc Self-Drilling Drywall Anchors, a comprehensive 200-piece set designed for your mounting needs. This set includes 100 heavy-duty sheetrock anchors and 100 number 6x1 to 1/4 foot screws, capable of supporting up to 75 pounds. Crafted from durable zinc alloy, these anchors offer superior strength, scratch resistance, and rust resistance. The included galvanized steel screws ensure maximum strength and corrosion resistance, providing a long-lasting solution for your projects. Featuring deep threading, they provide a firm hold that resists pull-out, ensuring stability in various wall types. Each anchor is designed to reliably hold up to 75 pounds, offering dependable support for your items. Installation is a breeze with their sharp, pointed shanks that easily drill into drywall using just a screwdriver. No pre-drilled holes are needed, minimizing dust and effort. Simply insert the screw to lock them securely in place. These anchors are perfect for a wide range of medium-duty applications. They are ideal for mounting bathroom and kitchen accessories, shelves, light fixtures, mirrors, picture frames, curtain rods, and much more. We are committed to product quality and your satisfaction. Each purchase comes with 24/7 customer support to assist with any questions or concerns you may have. What we like. This is a substantial 200-piece set, offering excellent value and ensuring you have plenty of anchors for numerous projects. They install easily without pre-drilling and can hold up to 75 pounds. If you're undertaking multiple home improvement tasks or frequently hang heavier items like mirrors or shelves, this bulk set is a practical and economical option. What people say. The anchors are sturdy and self-drilling, which makes installation a breeze, no pre-drilling required. Now with these zinc version, I can easily hang stuff on my walls in my office without taking out the drill bits. The anchors are metal and provide a strong hold if installed correctly in drywall. Number 1. KURUI number 8 Zinc Self-Drilling Drywall Anchors. Crafted from high-quality zinc alloy, these anchors offer superior strength, scratch resistance, and rust resistance. The included heavy-duty steel screws are galvanized for enhanced durability and corrosion resistance, ensuring a long service life. Featuring deep threads, these anchors provide a secure and pull-out resistant grip. Their design allows them to hold firmly in drywall, supporting up to 50 pounds of weight. Install these threaded anchors effortlessly with just a screwdriver or screw gun. Their sharp, pointed shanks allow for direct insertion without pre-drilling, minimizing dust. Once in place, the screws create a tight wedge for a secure hold. These self-drilling anchors are ideal for medium-duty tasks. They are perfect for mounting a variety of items, including bathroom and kitchen accessories, shelving, light fixtures, mirrors, and picture frames. We prioritize product quality and your satisfaction. Every purchase includes 24/7 friendly customer service. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. What we like. This kit provides a good balance of quantity and quality with 60 zinc alloy anchors and screws. They are designed for easy, dust-free installation directly into drywall. If you're a homeowner looking for reliable anchors for medium-duty tasks like hanging bathroom accessories or decorative shelves, this kit offers a convenient and effective solution. What people say. Love that it came as a whole kit for a very reasonable price. Have used on multiple occasions and very sturdy and have had no issues. Fit and finish was exactly as advertised and love that it came with drill bit that works for both the anchors and the screws. These are so easy to use and are very sturdy. I bought some shoe organizers for our upstairs hallway and I tried using a nail which didn't work at all. I quickly ordered these and they worked so good. Very sturdy even with heavy shoes. The anchors are a little bigger than I wanted, but actually do a better job. Tap a small hole into the drywall, then insert the plastic anchor until it's flush with the wall. The screws provided are then used to hang your item and can be adjusted to stick out a little or a lot. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.